You will be using educreations app on your iPad to create a diagram of the sun. In order to do this, you first need to open the educreations app and you will get a page like this. Next, you can either draw a diagram of the sun, or you can go to this image of this picture right here, and you can choose to find your picture off of a picture that you've already taken on your iPad, or you can go to the web and get a photo that way. If you choose to get a photo from the web, it will take you to a search bar, type in what you're looking for, and then choose the photo that you want simply by tapping on it. Once you have tapped on it, it will take your image back to your screen where you can now draw on it in any way that you would like, simply by choosing which color that you would like. Also, if you would like to add text by typing, you can click on your text box right there. If you utilize the text box on the screen, you tap anywhere on the screen that you would like to type, such as here, and a keyboard will pop up and you are able to type in whatever you need to type. Also, once you have typed what you need to type and drawn what you need to draw, you can come over here to where the record button is. And you must record for at least a few seconds in order for this to save on educreations. So you can explain your diagram or simply say your names, whatever you feel is best for your project. Once you are finished, you will click on Done and then say Save Lesson. Choose a lesson title and click Next. Then decide who you want to share this with, and you can go ahead and say Public, and then again click Next. Next, you will choose your subject area, and then you will say Save. This will prompt the screen to ask you to log in. This is very important. Make sure that you go down here and click where it says log in with Google, because we all have our Google accounts. Only one of you needs to log in. It does not matter who. Doing so will bring you to this screen. Then you can just simply log in with your Google email and password that we have created. Then you will click on the button that says Accept. And you should be taken to this screen where you can see the lessons that you've created. Your next step will be to click on this button over here. For this button is the button that will allow us to share. When you press that button, you will have these little icons show up below each of your files. The one that is most important is this one that looks like a chain link. Press the chain link and then click on the Copy Lesson link. Your iPad will then copy the lesson link. And you will know this because it will tell you, link copied. Yay! From that point, you simply need to log into Edmodo and press Control V or right-click Paste, for you will be able to paste that link into a post and we will all be able to see your lovely diagram creation. Ta-da! Congratulations!